Hello guys, this is Progressor speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This was the signal I sent in yesterday on my Telegram channel. I told you guys yesterday that this particular signal is either going to materialize yesterday or today. As you can see, it ended up not materializing yesterday. But just like I expected, the perfect movement has begun to move. Just so you know, I tried using moving averages. Before I go into analyze this particular signal, I would like to show you the moving averages that I use. Alright guys, the first signal I gave was at this point yesterday, which gave us above 120 pips, and that was the first movement that the gold market price made before returning back, and I will tell you why it returned back. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can see the reason why it returned back, because the 220 moving average, after the impulse correction on H4, which somehow could be referred to as trend in the small time frame, the 220 moving average is never crossed. So that was why the price rallied up and returned back. So, and that was why I said that the target is 100 pips. Should the 220 moving average cross while the 100 pips is going up, that's okay. Then we'll be targeting 200. And that was why I set my TP at 100 pips. So when the price rallied down to create the all-time low, then you can see why that signal never materialized yesterday. Let me show you why. It is because of this very candlestick, which is the signal candlestick that I used to look for in every of these signals. You can see when this very candlestick, let me place a cursor on it, came out, as usual the 220 moving average never crossed, and that was why the signal never materialized yesterday. So the gold market price has to range to ensure that this 220 moving average crosses, and after this 220 moving averages crosses, then the possible strong buy will start. And that was why the signal delayed yesterday and could not materialize. But like I said, how I used to set my SL is from the beginning of the candlestick. Remember, this was the 30 minutes time frame candlestick, yeah, and you can see that it rallied at the same spot with the H1 signal candlestick, where the body of the H1 candlestick started was where the body of the M30 candlestick started, and that is where I used to place my SL. As you can see, while the price was ranging, it never came below or to hit the SL throughout yesterday until this morning, when the H1 successfully crossed at this spot. So at the moment, I am expecting the price to bullish to retest this, the all-time high of the date there. All-time high of which date was this? Of 3rd January 2024, which means why the market price is expected to get there, it might be up to 200 pips and above. Let me measure it to see how many pips from the entry point. This is the first entry point on M30. So let's see what goes. Exactly like I said, it's above 20 pips, but I believe the first stop is going to be at exactly 20 pips. So as you can see, it is 100% 200 pips. Like I said, I believe the first stop is going to be at exactly 210 pips plus, but let's see how it goes.
12 sleepless hours later.
You can't believe this, guys. This is massive. 200 pips down and it's still bullishing. So guys, that is how the strategy works. Told you guys is second to none. Join my Telegram group, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, because I post this entry point at entry and also post the videos of the analysis on the channel. Most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. You don't use money to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.